Welcome. This video will show you how to create a new course in Canvas independent of our sync system. So we need to start by going to Courses, and we're going to click on All Courses. Now you'll see over to the right there's a plus course. You click that button and you can give your course a name. The content license you want to leave private. If you add it to one of these, then you'll have issues with the semester ending and your course going away. There's also another way to do this. Let me show you how you would go about that with my environmental science course. You can also go to settings. This is the strategy you want to use if your course exists. Under settings, click on copy this course over here on the right side of the screen. And then you want to set your start dates appropriately. Give it a name. I recommend changing the name drastically from the semester names. In the past, I tried to make it as similar as possible to this structure, and I had a hard time keeping them separate when I was clicking through. I had to take more time and be more intentional than I would have liked. So you just set your start dates for whatever you want it to be. Maybe it's today. And then I typically leave the end date blank, but let's say ends August 7th, and then create course. After this happens, we'll get an email that says your course has been successfully created, and that's it.